Unraveling the Mystery. The meaning of hush hush. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the virtual classroom where English learning becomes a joyful journey. Today, we're going to decode a rather interesting English phrase, hush hush. So, if you've ever come across this term and wondered what secrets it holds, stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions. The phrase, hush hush, is an adjective that describes something that is meant to be kept secret or done confidentially. It's often used to refer to information or activities that should not be made public or discussed openly. Imagine someone telling you a plan but also signaling you to be silent about it. That's where hush hush comes into play. Interestingly, hush hush is believed to have military origins. It dates back to times when operations needed to be kept under wraps to prevent the enemy from discovering them. Over time, this term migrated into civilian use, preserving its air of secrecy and discretion. To truly grasp the usage of hush hush, let's look at some examples. The company is developing a new product, but everything about it is hush hush. They had a hush hush meeting last night, and now everyone is curious about what was discussed. Remember, using hush hush correctly will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you sound like a native speaker. Enhancing your vocabulary is always a plus, so here are some synonyms for hush hush. Confidential, secret, under wraps, covert, private. Knowing these synonyms allows you to add variety to your conversations and writing. And there you have it. You're now in the know about the hush hush phrase. We hope this video has shed light on this expression and you'll feel confident using it in your daily English. Remember, learning a language is about embracing new words and phrases with curiosity and excitement. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep your learning hush hush, or actually, share it with everyone. Goodbye for now.